Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to display blog post on your home page. So guys, first we'll create some blog post under the blog post option screen. So over here, we need to create some new blog post. If you see, I've already created a blog post over here which says fashion that suits you. Similarly, I'll create another new blog post. So I'll click on add blog post and now I will enter the blog post details. So I'll enter the title as blog blog post display on home page, and I'll copy this title again and I'll paste it under the description, and I'll also type some more content for description. Now we'll add a featured image for a blog post. So I'll click on add image and then I'll select a image for the blog post. Now we have this particular category and the text. So I'll select the tags and I'll also select the category. So I'll select the category as fashion and now I'll click on save, but before that I'll change the visibility to visible and I'll now click on save. So now the blog post will be created. So you can see that we got a message saying blog post created. So now total we have 2 blog posts currently on my account. So now let's click on themes, and the theme which is live, we need to click on customize. So over here we'll add a new section. So let's wait for this particular option to load first. And now I'll scroll down at the bottom. We have an option called add section. We need to click on it. So once you click on it, you will get all these particular sections. So now let's scroll at the bottom and we have an option called blog post. So we need to select this. So now if you see in the center over here, we have got the preview of this blog post section. So it shows us the title, then the featured image, then the blog post title and the description. So we need to click on this option over here. So first we have the heading. So if you see over here, it shows the blog post as the heading. So we can change this. So I'll change the heading as featured posts. So now you can see that the heading has changed. We can change the heading size to large, small or medium. So I'll keep large. Then we have the category. So we need to select the category. So I have created the category called fashion. So I'll select that. So my 2 blog posts were under the fashion category. So now the blog posts are appearing. Previously it was news. Under news there are no blog posts. So no blog post appeared previously. Then we have number of blog posts to show. So how many blog posts you want to display on the section. So currently it is 3. You can increase or decrease the option over here. Then you have number of columns on desktop. So how many columns you want on the desktop. So that also you can increase or decrease. So currently it is 3. Then we have the color scheme. So we can change the color scheme of the background over here for the section only. So if you see, the color scheme of the section only changes and on top it doesn't change because you are applying the color scheme to the section only for this particular blog post section. So I'll keep preferably white only because white looks cool. Then we have an option over here which says show featured image. So currently it is ticked. If I unselect, then the featured image will be hidden. So let's show this. Then we have the date. So if you want to hide the date, then unselect this option. So let's show it. And then we have the show author option. So currently if you see, the author's name is not shown. So once you tick this, then the author's name is shown. So my name is shown over here. And then we have an option called enable view all button if blog post includes more blog posts than the shown. So if there are more blog posts, then a view all button will be shown, because currently there are number of posts to display as 3, and if your blog post has more than 3 blog posts like 5, 7, 10, then you will get an option called view all. Now if we scroll down, then we have a section padding. So there are two options, top padding and bottom padding. So we can change the padding of the section. So if you change, then the top padding has decreased. If you increase, then the top padding will increase. So you can see the gap over here. So let's keep around 28 to 30 only. Similarly, you can change it for bottom padding. And now let's click on save. So let's wait for some time so that these changes are saved. So you can see now I got the message changes saved. Now I'll open the front end and I'll refresh the page. So after refreshing, we'll be able to see the blog post on the front page of our Shopify website. So I'll scroll down at the bottom because we had added the section at the bottom. So yeah, there we go. We can see the title which we had given, featured post, and we have the two blog posts. We have the featured image, we have the title of the post, and we have the date, author, and the description, and we have the two cards. So we had set the count as 3. If there were more than 3 blog posts, then 3 blog posts would have shown over here. Since I have only two are shown over here. So guys, that's all in this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in displaying blog post on your home page of your Shopify website. If you guys like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, code it, and don't forget to like and share this video.